Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off spam protection for text messages in Samsung A26, A36 or A56. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon.